February 16th, and we're waiting in line at HEB. It's got about 45 minutes to open. We got people waiting around the corner because of all this snow, power outages. Also, today's workout was shoveling snow out of the driveway. All right, so let me turn the light on.
There's no electricity now.
Damn it.
That runs off of power.
So we don't have any power because it snowed a lot in Austin.
8 inches left.
So I was like, what is this? Oh my gosh, this is not Austin. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I've never seen this much snow here. This is crazy. I just woke up to this winter wonderland of snow. This is proof that global warming is real. All right, so the power keeps going in and out, and we're kind of low on groceries. I don't know, but we had some leftover beef stew, so I made breakfast today with some beef stew. So here's what we got: 2 eggs, some leftover beef stew and potatoes, and then a green machine to drink. And in the meantime, while the power keeps going in and out, instead of doing any kind of work on the Wi-Fi, I was just writing out some goals, and yeah, just waiting for the Wi-Fi to come back on. But I'm really excited because I set some goals for running. So I'd like to run under a 5:30 mile time and a marathon in 6 months. And then for lifting, I'd like to bench press 315 and deadlift 405 in 6 months to a year. We'll see about that, the weightlifting portion. But it's nice to be able to have some time to sit down and think of some goals like that today. What is up, guys? Just checking in again because my camera's SD card is corrupted. Out of all times during this winter wonderland that I could have been making some pretty cool content. I just want to share with y'all what we're going through here in Leander or North Austin in Texas. So yesterday, my mother and I shoveled / raked our driveway, right? And we laid some sand down. It is now solid ice. I mean, well, maybe not solid, but it is ice. And the snow, it's not even soft anymore. It's frozen over. The snow has frozen over. It's crazy. It's been hard to do anything kind of exercise-wise because really I'm just trying to not get super sweaty because our power keeps going in and out, and so does our water pressure. And so we're just trying to conserve energy. So just going back to the baby wipe showers from the Army, and yeah, just rotating the outfits that you wear for like working. Like whenever I was shoveling, I had to get sweaty. Those pants aren't washed; they're just gonna be hanging up and waiting to be reused for another work event. But this is crazy, y'all. I mean, I grew up in Austin, and I've never seen this. I've never seen this type of winter wonderland. Like, this is our sidewalk, but you can't even see. It's hard to see, but there's a pile right here. That was from where we shoveled snow, and that's the sidewalk where Sam's at. So, this is pretty crazy, and it's been a good time for me doing some self-reflecting, and just also enjoying quality time with my family. I thought I heard like a dog. My other dog was looking, my sister's dog, Freya, was looking. But anyways, yeah, just trying to stay warm, even though I'm outside recording, and not do anything stupid like going running. I wanted to really bad the other day. I wanted to go running outside. Hey! They've been out here too long already though, and dogs can get frostbite on their paws and they don't know it. Freya, come on! Come on! Ugh. So anyways, we're gonna head back inside. I just wanted to share with y'all what's kind of going on here in Central Texas. While there's still a pandemic going on, we have this ice storm, which is crazy.
Oh, we almost got matching socks. Why are you staying so close to me?
So you can catch me when I fall.
It's so weird.
Yeah. I just want to do all the four in one spot.
Look at all this thing. Looks like we're at the beach. It kind of feels like we're at the beach too.
No, this is definitely not the
This would be my ocean.
beach. Wearing those silly shoes again.
I'm wearing my silly shoes, my Crocs. They're not silly, they're fashionable. They're also very practical. Because right now, I got them in 2-wheel drive. All you gotta do, put them in 4-wheel drive. I know you like
All
that.
right, put your tool.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
Time to go off-roading.
You can put that bag in the trash can.
Plastic? It's over here.
Oh, man. Look at this. Whew. So icicles, look at this bad boy.
No, it went out a little bit. I don't know. Maybe because I broke it, but
Say what?
the garage door.
What do you mean? Oh, with it going down and not going down? The whole garage door purpose? Well, I like the old-fashioned way anyways. Okay, you mean my 4x4s? Well, still very cold outside, but this is very, very promising that, look, I can touch the ground now. I can go back on a run maybe. Yeah, this is nice. This is very nice. It's getting much, much better. Look at these icicles that are up here though. That's crazy. It's too much, that's dangerous. That's like Final Destination stuff. Whew. Here we go. All right, let's see, because I'm ready. Let's see if this works. Oh, you got jumped over the sensor? Oh, look at you guys! We did it! We did it!
Yeah.
Awesome. I would like to take absolutely zero credit for the work that was done. But you did it, Durs! That's awesome. Real manly shit to do.
What's that?
Really, really manly stuff to do.
Yeah, take some videos for me.
Yeah, man. Just now getting out on the road finally. Figuring might as well just take a look at what's going on here.
Yeah, I came that way and then I made a left.
We're just driving through the neighborhood, trying to make some footage, see what's going on today. Missing it. My stabilizer will be in today or tomorrow.
Oh, this looks fun.
Yeah.
Oh, this is dangerous. I see a big circle. That's
The roundabout. To the right is where we would go back to the house.
Oh, no, dangerous in a good
Careful
one.
with this truck.
I guess I have to go take the right away. No, it looks dangerous in a fun way. If I had a real wheel drive, I'd.
Right here. Here, yeah. Let's gotta
Again,
pull
through
that
the park first.
Yeah. Oh wow, this is all completely dry. Whoa!
That's crazy.
That is crazy. But I'm getting it for us. I'll get you again after you're not focused on this. Just slow down, careful, yeah.
I just want to make sure I get up the hill. That was like my. I didn't want to slide back.
That's true.
I'll stay in a second gear.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching just some of these bits and pieces of what happened here in the Austin snowstorm. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel please, because most of my content is going to be better than this. I just wanted to put together some memories from what happened recently. Made it up all that snow and up that hill.